Hey guys, I wanted to come on real quick to tell you about a accidental pairing I just found that I actually am really liking. I had put our Calm Body Butter on, which is part of our kind of skin soothing care body butters. So it has oatmeal and honey and in it, and lavender and chamomile. And so I've always felt like it kind of smelled like an oatmeal cookie a little bit. And so, but anyway, I had that on and I was playing around with the new body butters that I had just picked up from Bath and Body Works. And, um, and as I was doing that, which I normally do, I start thinking, I think this would smell good together. Just kind of popped in my head. So at first, I put on Snowflakes and Cashmere, and that has vanilla, cashmere cream, caramel woods, and frosted clementine. And I don't know, for some reason, I decided to see how it would smell with Kayali's Lovefest Burning Cherry. Now that has top notes of burning cherry, raspberry, bergamot, middle notes of praline, heliotrope, Damascus rose, jasmine sambac, base notes of palo santo, tonka bean, guaiac wood, um, amberetold, Peru balsam, Haitian vetiver, and patchouli. And this smells really good. I was actually surprised. I wasn't even expecting it at all, but it was so good that I wanted to pop on and say, if you guys have Snowflakes and Cashmere and you have Lovefest Burning Cherry, try it together. And if you don't have our body butter, try like a sweet oatmeal or honey lotion or body butter if you have it. But even without it, I think these two, some kind of way, I'm not really sure why or how, they really smell good together. So um, you may see this in a future Fifi's favorite, but definitely something to try. So Snowflakes and Cashmere with Kayali Lovefest Burning Cherry and like a sweet oatmeal or honey type of lotion. So, or I wonder, maybe even a vanilla would work too, but just something a little sweeter. But it just really smelled good. And so anyway, just wanted to hop on and tell you guys that this new Snowflake and Cashmere, number one, I really like it, and two, it actually works pretty well with Lovefest Burning Cherry. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye.